Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Implementation that used to take 3 consultants can now be completed by 1 consultant using AI. Sounds impossible, right? Just a couple of years ago, consultants spent hours writing documentation, creating test scripts, preparing training material, reviewing requirements, designing business processes. But today, AI can do most of these things in minutes. Here is the interesting part. This does not mean consultants are becoming less valuable. In fact, the best consultants are becoming even more valuable than ever before because AI isn't replacing expertise, it is amplifying it. And the consultants who understand how to use AI are starting to deliver projects faster with higher quality and at lower cost than those who don't. Today, I will show you how exactly AI is changing in the world of SAP SuccessFactors consulting using real implementation examples and why this is probably the biggest shift our profession has seen in last 20 years with SAP. Let's be honest. Most SAP SuccessFactor consultants spend surprisingly little time configuring the system. Think about an average project. How much time is actually spent inside SuccessFactor? Maybe 40%, and the remaining 60%? Meetings, documentations, email, requirements, testing, training, knowledge transfer, status reports, functional specifications, user guides, process diagrams, review comments, change requests, all of this is necessary. But very little of it creates any unique value. But this is exactly where AI is making the biggest impact. Not at replacing consulting, but by eliminating repetitive work. My experiment number 1. Let's start with testing. Anyone who worked on an employee central implementation knows user acceptance testing can involve hundreds, sometimes thousands of test cases. Imagine creating test scripts manually. Scenarios, prerequisites, steps, expected results, negative testing, regression testing, approval path, and then repeat. Now, imagine simply asking AI. So, for example, here I have asked generate employee central hire test scripts, including validation, workflows, business rules, and integration. And within seconds, ChatGPT produces structured test cases. Need promotion testing? Done. You need termination testing? Done. Global assignment, position management, mass hire? Yes, done. Can AI replace testing? No, but it can eliminate the hours of efforts creating the test scripts. Instead of writing 300 test scripts, you are just reviewing them, you are just improving them, you are just validating them. And that's a massive productivity gain. I have attached sample test scripts in the description of this video, which are generated using ChatGPT for this prompt. Please check it out. Experiment number 2. Let's talk about documentation. Functional specification, configuration workbooks, business requirement documents, design documents, meeting minutes, training manuals, guides. Many consultants spend entire weeks creating these. AI can create a professional first draft in minutes. For example, you can give AI that please create a workflow for employee transfer with manager approval, HR approval, and country HR validation. AI will create business process, workflow logic, configuration notes, test scripts. Even process diagrams can also be generated with AI. And here is the important point. Clients don't pay consultants to type documents. They pay consultants to make good decisions. Documentation is becoming faster with AI, and decision making is becoming more valuable with AI. Training. This is the another area changing dramatically. Every implementation needs administrator guides, manager guides, employee guides, quick reference guides, FAQs, PowerPoint slides, knowledge articles, videos, and AI can generate all of these. Need a manager guide, employee onboarding instruction, multilingual training, quiz, all done. E-learning scripts, done. Imagine onboarding an entire HR organization with AI assistant content creation. Instead of spending weeks creating material, you spend time improving them. That is a completely different use of your expertise. AI assisted functional design, is it possible? This used to depend entirely on consultant experience. Now imagine asking AI. I asked AI to design a global promotion process for a manufacturing company that operates in 30 countries. AI suggested business approval, business rules, approval workflow, reporting impacts, integration touch points, best practices, and recommendations. Will AI always be correct? Absolutely not. But sometimes it is brilliant, and sometimes it confidently suggests something that it is simply wrong. So, you need to have experience to judge what is right and what is wrong. That's why experience matters more than ever. The consultant's job is no longer creating everything from scratch. It is mostly reviewing, challenging, refining, and validating AI's recommendation. Think of a AI as your smartest junior consultant, fast, knowledgeable, available 24 by 7, but still needing guidance from someone who understands real world implementations. Here is where many people misunderstand AI. That what AI still cannot replace. AI knows information, but consultant understands organizations. AI cannot walk into a workshop and notice that CFO is resisting the project. AI cannot identify political challenges between HR and IT. AI cannot manage executive stakeholders. AI cannot negotiate conflicting business priority. AI cannot trust. AI cannot drive organization change. AI cannot convince a skeptical CHRO. AI cannot replace years of implementation experience. Technology solves technical problems, consultant solves business problems. That difference matters and it always will. So, is AI changing SAP SuccessFactors consulting? Yes, without question. But it will remain documentation. Will it eliminate documentation work? Yes. Testing effort? Absolutely. Testing creation? Definitely. Functional design? Partially. Will it replace consultants? No, not at all. But will it completely change the client expectations from the consultants? Client won't pay premium rates for creating documents manually. They will pay for strategic thinking, business transformation, problem solving, architecture, leadership, and delivering outcomes faster than ever before. The consultants who embrace AI will spend less time writing and more time advising, less time formatting and more time transforming businesses. Because in the future, your value won't come from how much work you do, it will come from how much better decisions you make. If you found this valuable, subscribe for more practical SAP SuccessFactors insights, AI implementation strategies, and HR transformation content. And in the comments, tell me which part of your consulting work do you think AI will change first? Don't forget to download Transform 360 for prompts used and outputs given by ChatGPT as a reference guide for your future implementations. See you in the next video.